Today, we have some exciting news to share with you. OpenAI is about to release the highly anticipated GPT-5, the fifth iteration of their groundbreaking language model. Let's dive right into what we know so far. GPT-5 is slated for release in December 2023, and it's going to be bigger and better than ever before. This new version will come with an array of exciting features, including improved understanding of context, enhanced natural language generation capabilities, and even conversational AI. The buzz around GPT-5 is immense, as it is expected to outperform both its predecessors, GPT-3 and GPT-4, combined. The potential is truly mind-blowing. One of the most promising aspects of ChatGPT-5 lies in its advanced language understanding capabilities. Imagine customer service chatbots that can truly grasp complex inquiries and provide more accurate responses than ever before. And that's not all. GPT-5 will revolutionize linguistic translation services, ensuring more accurate translations with a deeper understanding of intricacies. Now, let's talk about the ability to solve difficult problems. The model's expanded general knowledge empowers it to analyze complex scenarios and generate insightful solutions. It's like having a brilliant problem solver on hand to identify underlying issues, consider various perspectives, and propose creative approaches. One significant upgrade in ChatGPT-5 is its increased token limit, paving the way for better long-form content generation and understanding. With a higher token limit, expect more detailed conversations and context-aware responses that will enhance user experiences. Even complex tasks like summarizing lengthy documents or translating books can be performed more accurately and efficiently. For those in data science and research fields, the deep analysis capabilities of ChatGPT-5 will be a game changer. Imagine a language model that can assist researchers in gaining new insights and understanding complex datasets like never before. ChatGPT-5 builds upon the transformative transformer architecture, making it larger and more advanced than its predecessor, GPT-4. By training on a larger collection of texts, GPT-5 can learn and generate even more meaningful responses. Another groundbreaking aspect of ChatGPT-5's training methodology is the incorporation of different modalities like text, image, and video. This means the model will not only understand textual data, but also process visual and audiovisual information, enriching its responses. Incorporating image modality allows ChatGPT-5 to analyze visual elements accurately and describe or explain them in detail. This has endless applications, from image captioning and visual storytelling to content generation. Additionally, the integration of video modality enables the model to process and generate text in the context of video content, a breakthrough for video analysis and recommendation systems. Every step forward in AI, like the upcoming ChatGPT-5, showcases the immense progress we've made. However, it's essential to acknowledge that reaching the breadth and depth of human cognition is still a long-term goal. The AI landscape is evolving rapidly, and we're excited to witness the transformative power of ChatGPT-5. This release has the potential to revolutionize communication, content generation, problem solving, and much more. We can't wait to see how this incredible AI tool will shape the future across various industries and fields. If you're as thrilled as we are about ChatGPT-5, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your fellow AI enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the amazing world of AI. Stay curious and stay ahead in this exciting technological frontier.